Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Via and this is the sewing part of the pattern we drafted in our last video. And this is how it looked when I was done sewing. So do stick around if this is something you're interested in, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get right into the video.
Once you've cut out your fabric, the next thing is to cut out the facings for the armholes. To cut out the facings, place your pattern on matching fabric and trace out the armholes. Do this for both front and back pattern. I'm going to go ahead and turn the armhole with the facing, and I will sew in the side bust that. I've now faced the armholes and ironed it out. Then I used my iron to add crease line on the zipper allowance line for easier zipper attachment, especially because I'd be making use of an invisible zipper and I do not have invisible zipper footer. I equally joined and ironed the side bust that's facing down. Now I'm going to place the front and the back pattern right side facing to join the sides. Be careful to avoid one piece overstretching. That is why it's crucial to notch or rather pin together before sewing. I'm done joining the zipper and the sides together and left a slit at the back. You can determine your desired slit length. If you're going to be making use of an invisible zipper just like I did, then here's a tip. Do not rush while sewing in your zipper and open up the zipper, pin and use your hand to control it as you go. Next, I hemmed the slit opening in dress length with the hem allowance I added while cutting. Now for the white cape around the shoulder, I took my round shoulder measurement minus half an inch. Then the horizontal measurement is my round shoulder divided by 2. That is actually my round shoulder, but I divided it by 2 because I placed my fabric on fold, then plus half an inch for sewing it off. For the vertical, the length of the cape is 4.5 inches on fold, so I added half inch. Please do note that the fabric is on fold. Firstly, fold your fabric, measure up 4.5 inches plus half inch to get your round shoulder measurement plus half inch joining allowance. Pay attention to how I attached the cape to the dress. Firstly, I got the middle of the front pattern and notched it, and also got the middle of the cape. Placed them right side facing and indicated where the front part shoulder stopped on the cape with my chalk. Starting on the folded edge of the cape, I placed it the same way on the back pattern and marked where the back shoulder stopped. When I was done, I notched all of the points with my scissors. Please pay close attention to your screen. Now I'm going to join from the first notch on the back, that's on the back side, to the second notch on both sides. Please do not join the middle notch. After joining, this is what it should look like. Please notch it well so that it'd be easier for you to join. Pay attention on how I placed and pinned it together. I placed it wrong side facing. That is, I placed the cape on the wrong side of the main fabric. So here's what it looks like after I was done joining. What's left is to stitch down the cape to the zipper and sew the bow tie. For the bow tie, cut out a piece of fabric 10.5 inches by 7.5 inches on fold, leaving a space to be able to turn it out, then iron it out. Cut out a smaller piece of 3 inches by 3.5 inches on fold and sew together. This is for gathering the bow and for passing the tie. After ironing it out, insert the bow through the smaller piece you made and gather the bow as you like. For the tie, cut out a long piece of fabric of about 60 inches length and width of 3.5 inches. Note the 3.5 inches is on fold. Then you can give the end any kind of shape you like. Join the tie, leaving a space to turn it out, then iron it out and pass it through the back of the bow. And that is everything for the sewing part of this video. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching.